Now there are two activities mentioned here. Here we are reading that let us perform activities to understand the nature of electric charge. But small pieces of, you might have seen that when you rub are played in a game, that when you rub a plastic comb on your dry hair, then it attracts pieces of paper. Now how does this happen? Charging by rubbing. So there is an activity given here that take a small ball pen, a used ball pen, it is made up of plastic. Now rub it vigorously with a piece of polythene. Now when you rub plastic with a polythene, it will develop a characteristic property. Now bring this rubbed plastic pen near pieces of paper, small pieces of paper. These will get attracted and you will see that these pieces of paper get attracted on the pen. Same thing happens when you rub a comb on your hair, it attracts pieces of paper. The question here is, why does this happen? When we don't rub the plastic pen, then it does not attract pieces of paper. But when we rub it, only then it attracts pieces of paper. So what is the reason for it? When a plastic refill is rubbed with polythene, it acquires a small amount of charge. Now this charge, how it is developed, this more in detail you will study in higher class, but for class 8 we should know that whenever an object is rubbed, it develops a charge in it. And when a plastic comb is rubbed with dry hair and a plastic refill is rubbed with polythene, it acquires a charge. So these objects which are charged, they are called charged objects. In the process of charging, the refill and the plastic comb, polythene and other objects, they also get charged. So the first activity is a general activity, that when this plastic comb or the plastic refill is rubbed, it acquires a charge. And how do you know that it acquires a charge? It starts attracting pieces of paper. Now why only small pieces of paper? Because you will study later on also that these pieces of paper are uncharged, and when you bring a charged object near them, because these pieces of paper are light, they acquire a charge, and because of the opposite charge they are pulled towards the pen or the comb. Now activity 15.2, you have to collect different objects, and then you will test them with charging objects. You will have to collect different objects which can be light, of different size, and then you rub material and then you bring them. What will happen when you bring them